Hey everybody, it's Sandy here with Daily Reviews, and if you have a long road trip coming up and you just want a little bit of peace of mind knowing if your tire pressure is low, you don't want to have to hunt for the next gas station to find maybe air that you have to pay for, maybe it's free, then I recommend checking out this Inflate Q by Remy IQ. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do this review, but this here is going to be a portable air compressor that is going to have enough PSI to blow up your truck tires or car tires in this compact unit. Plus, you can use this to blow up your bike tires, your basketballs or footballs laying around the house, your pool floats. This here is going to be able to pump up a lot of other things other than just your car tires. And what I love most about this set is that it comes with everything you see here to get you up and running. It also has this nice case to put everything in, so everything fits nicely and neatly in here. And you can throw this in your trunk or any other area of your car to keep this out of the way, and everything is compact in this. And this unit is about the size of my hands. All right, so on top of the unit, you are going to get a light just in case if you're having to do this in the dark. This here is where you're going to plug in the cigarette lighter if you wanted to run straight from the car itself. Maybe this wasn't charged fully before you took the trip, you forgot to charge it. You can run it directly from your vehicle while the vehicle is on. But again, this is portable, so you do have USB-C. This is where you'll charge the unit, and a USB-A out. So if you wanted to charge your phone maybe in an emergency and then just add some juice to your phone real quick, you can do that as well. Now, this is as simple as taking this valve here. This is what's going to connect. You just get it in one twist and you hear a lock, and that's in. And this here is going to go and mount right onto your tire to blow that up. Turn the unit on, you're going to get greeted with this LCD display up front, and you're going to get a nice white LCD display. And then you're going to be able to cycle through different modes. So here it's showing vehicle, but I can go through to motorcycle, a ball, and then this here is probably going to be like pool floats, anything like that you wanted to blow up with the little person up top. But if we went to vehicle, here's the best part, that this thing has an auto shut off. So we can just read the PSI max pressure on our tires and bump up or down to that PSI to get that exact reading. And as soon as this turns on and starts to blow air into your tire, and as soon as it hits that target PSI, this shuts off. So no overinflating. So you have that peace of mind and that security too as well with this unit. To turn the light on, you just hit the little light button, and we have that light, and we can turn it off. Also flashes too, so for an emergency, you could use this as like a roadside assistant to flash someone down, but we can just cycle through and turn that off. Really compact. It's got rubber feet too, so you can sit down on the ground like that. They're going to give you all the bits and bobs. They actually give you some extra caps if you do lose your cap over your valve stem on your tire. There's some included tips. You're going to get that tip to blow up the ball, a raft, and then a smaller thread, so maybe for a bicycle or a motorcycle. So all the bits and bobs are included. Everything fits nicely and compact into this case. So if you're looking for a portable air compressor, highly recommend checking out the Inflate IQ by Remy IQ. This one here is a solid and a must for traveling.